For us, it's really been hard uh, to make it here. It wasn't given to us. We earned it, and earning it together. It's really big to lose Kian and Mason at the start of the season. But again, we're just fortunate. We're just blessed to have these players that are really willing to give up, their own agenda heading into the season just for, just to contribute. It's really hard to take care of all this talent and put it in one basket without the basket rocking. But again, these guys really were positive, led by positive leaders, and it's just a testament of how these guys really support and trust each other. And I'm just so fortunate to be under these players, learning also as well as we go through these challenging times, because what we've been through in the eliminations was really challenging. But they made it easier for me as a coach because they made me feel safe and knowing that they're gonna really fight till the end. And again, we're just fortunate to be here and so blessed to be here.
Coach, strong start kanina, then also the team also showed composure ng mga Now, feels like was this how you envisioned yung laro nyo during
Well, we reminded our players in the halftime that this is the number one team. They're the number one team. They earned their spot to be number one. So we have so much respect for those players. They really are playing tremendous basketball together. So we just kept our composure. We know that they're gonna fight back. What we keep on reminding each and everyone was to really make sure that we're composed down the line. Because our turnovers will surely be points for them. So we tried as hard as we can to take care of that basketball. But I guess when they're making runs, these guys made some big baskets and also big stops down the line.
Coach, it was mentioned earlier that this team got through a few of matches in elimination, but at the season's most crucial stretch per se, how glad are you that you're now at full strength with Keenan back, Mason full strength, and everyone is contributing for us?
Well, we have to give credit to our medical staff, our strength and conditioning coaches, because they're really the ones who took care of our injured players, even our beaten down players up to now. So again, just so blessed and fortunate to have this group of guys that are really willing to support each other. But we keep on going back to those challenges. When we were having challenges earlier, we reminded everyone, remember those times that we were down and out? What worked for us? That's about us playing for each other. So it's just a constant reminder that balikan lang namin yung mga pinagdaanan namin in the season. Automatic naman, realize nila na hindi namin pwedeng sayangin just because we are playing selfish basketball. So keep on reminding, even to myself, even the players were reminding me just to remember what worked for us in those challenging times.